So I recently used this kit here. It's a wallpaper smoothing kit, and I used it to smooth out our new, it's not wallpaper, but it's like sticker wallpaper, I suppose, but to smooth that out as we were putting it on our wall, and it really worked out great. It really helped a lot. So you get these two smoothers basically. One's blue with a thicker edge, one's red with a slightly thinner edge, and this blue one also has this edge here, which is a soft cloth, which can help if you're not trying to, if you're trying to make sure that you don't press too hard on your wall and get the bumps from underneath the wall to show up a little bit less. That would be helpful there. We also have an X-Acto knife, and that was sharp and very useful at times in cutting away the excess at the bottom. And along with that X-Acto knife, you also had an extra blade, which is nice. So that just in case that one blade gets dull, you got another blade, and that can be useful too. We did use all of this stuff. We also came with the kit a small measuring tape. I don't know where I put that. We didn't use it. I just used my measuring tape that I already had. But yeah, it's a super useful set of tools to help us put up our sticker wallpaper in our bedroom. I want to show you how that looked real quick too. Here is the final outcome, the result of all that effort. It took about 2 hours, and we didn't do the best job of getting everything perfectly lined up, but from a distance, it looks really, really good. So I would say that this project definitely came out just as good as we anticipated. Like I said, if you look close, there's going to be a few things that aren't exactly perfect, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And in large part, that's thanks to these tools. So I would definitely recommend it.